And welcome back to Everyday Matters with Tari, and thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Tari and I'd like to specially welcome you to this channel. Today's video is another unboxing, and I can already hear you say, Everyday Matters, do you shop every single week? Well, no. Okay, but really I've got an event coming up. So one of my friends is turning 50. Yes, she actually turned 50 yesterday. We had a little get together, but we're all going away to somewhere called Lanzarote, and I think it's in the Canary Islands. So we're going there to actually celebrate her 50th birthday next week, and I thought, why not order something nice or a nice dress that I would use for the party. And of course I'm going to take you along as well, so don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we get on and how we actually enjoy ourselves when we get there. Okay, but I thought I would order a few things. I ordered a pack. I ordered a few things, and for some reasons they came in 2 different packs. So one of the packs came sometime last week. Okay, I'll show you. I've already opened that one, so I'll show you what was in. But this one, actually, I've just got this one. So I'm so excited. I'm going to show you what's in it as well. Okay, and of course when I put it on, you will see it. Okay, so this is the first thing in the box. Not many, just like I said, we're going on holiday, so I thought I would order something to wear on the day of the party, because we're going to be having a party as well. Okay, so this is the, oh my god, it's suede. It is suede. It's beautiful. Look. Oh, I didn't even know it was this nice. Look at that. And it has stones. So I'm not gonna wear it because I want to wear it for you on the day so that you can see it. So this is what it looks like. So sueded and beaded. The hands, the 2 hands are beaded, and the front as well. Oh my god, it looks amazing. And it's a jumpsuit, and you know I love jumpsuits anyway. So it is a jumpsuit. So, and it's suede. It looks really beautiful. I think apart from this party, I think I'm gonna wear it for Christmas as well, because it looks very Christmassy. Okay, but that's the one that just came in. Okay, so this is the second one. So this one came in the first pack that I ordered. Okay, like I said, I want to look good for this occasion. So this is what it looks like. So this is one of the hand. So the right hand is laced and the left hand is that way. Okay, so this is what it actually looks like. So it's like satin, and it's got slits as well in front. Okay, again, I'm not gonna show you, I'm not gonna wear it just yet, because I want you to see it when I'm actually dressed up and my makeup is done, so you can see what I look like. Okay, so not premature. Sure. Okay, so the other thing I ordered was this jewelry accessory. So this is like a bead. It goes around the cream. So this is a champagne dress. I'll see if I can open this one. I'm actually very patient this time. I look for the opening, I just rip it out. So you have to tell me well done. So this goes around. So I'm gonna wear this on my waist. Something like that. Hope I don't break it. So it's going to be like that around this dress. Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna look really beautiful. So I don't know which of them I'm gonna be wearing yet. I think it's this one I'm going to use for the party, because I really like this one. I like this one as well, but I think I'm gonna save this one for Christmas. And then this one, I'll use this one for the party, and I'm gonna show you when I eventually wear it. Okay, but like I said, I'm not just ordering every week. Like I said before, I've just ordered this one because I've got this occasion coming, and I might order another one next week as well. You never know. Okay, but I thought I would show you quickly what I've ordered. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye.